Hey guys, JD the therapist here, and I got this product to review for this video from the company. And this product is a 3-pack door alarm system that you can use on sliding doors and doors that open. It's a great way to help monitor your home, and powered by 2 AAA batteries that are just put onto the back here. And this portion here just slides right open, just like so. And then you just put the 2 AAA batteries right here on the back. What I like on this too is that on the back of this here, it tells you which way is up, so that way when you go to put this in, you just put this right on the inside and then just slide right up. There's 2 different ways that you can put this on the wall. So it comes with the way to wall mount. So you can go ahead and drill a pilot hole, put this in the pilot hole so that way it's filled, and then you'll drill the screw right through the back of this here, so that way it's adhered onto the wall. It comes with these adhesive strips that you can put onto the back. So we'll put one on this one here, and there's these 2 round holes where you just go ahead and put this right on the back end, give some pressure so that it adheres, and then you're good. And then you have smaller ones that go on the other receiving side. You can put the adhesive on the back side here and then use either side of this for the door sensor. So we'll just peel this back and we'll put this right on. Now the on and off is right here on the side. So we're gonna kick this off for now because we already know that it's working. And then we'll put this on the door. Peel the adhesive off. And then for the other one, we're gonna peel the adhesive off as well. Next, we're gonna put this right on here. And then we'll line this up so that it's with the arrows right here. Now that it's there, we can go ahead and turn this on. So now if I go ahead and open up the door, you can see that turn on and off. Now on this side of the alarm here, if you press this button repeatedly, it's going to change the volume of the alarm here. So we'll go from a louder setting all the way down to a lower setting. And this is a great way to keep your home secure. Now, as a therapist, I use this a lot for individuals that might be having some cognitive type of changes, and you want to make sure there's no elopement, or that you know if someone opens the door and they might be eloping. So I would put this maybe on a bedroom door or on a window, or even another sliding door as well, just so you know that someone's leaving or entering the premises. But this is a great tool. It's very easy to use. I would definitely recommend this and say, check this out.